Okay. I'm recording. Time to play Walkman. I think you should be voice because this is a challenge. It's your win. But I'm gonna play with the game. I said the African baby. Okay, let's go. I already messed up. Doop, doop, doopy, doop, doop, doop. I already messed up. Doop, 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 doopy, doopy, doop, 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 doopy, doopy, doop, 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 doopy, doopy, doop, 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 doopy, doopy, doop. So, okay, what is chicken? I'm gonna play Marcel.
Nakapagpano mo siya?
Yeah.
Ilang miligram mo pa paano yun? 10 miligram?
Hindi ko po malala yung dose.
You can't catch me. I'm not gonna download that. I'm just gonna wait. Okay, there. No.
Itong ano yung sa hagol mo?
Okay, let's go back.
Once a day at bedtime or
At bedtime.
at bedtime?
Tico po, tika. Gooby, gooby, gooby.
100
Gooby,
milligrams.
gooby, 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 gooby. Gooby, gooby, gooby. Gooby, gooby,
Minus lang naman po yung
Isulat mo to? 160 over ano?
160
over 100?
110 over.
Ang ganda naman kasi nasulat ko. Hindi ko maintindihan. Ano ba yan? 110 ba yan? 120?
Hindi, 110 po na po. 110 over 70 po yan.
Ang ganda ng sulat. Ikinarapay ng 110 over.
Kailan nga po eh.
Kaya nagagalitan si Sir Jose.
Uy, nababasa sulat ko.
Hindi.
Ang dad.
Uy, dali. Nung nababasa sulat ko, may iniisot na lang ako ni Mami kasi bakit yung sulat na hanggang sa akin.
Ano to? 76.2, 36.2.
36.
Unbelievable.
Mami, iba, Mami, ano tawag po doon? Feasible ba po ang 76.2?
Kaya nga, malay ko kung parang
Unbelievable.
Tama. Mali mo pa rin eh. Kasi ano, kasi yung isa tayo.
Unbelievable.
ano yan?
Unbelievable.
Ang lagnat.
Oh my god, that's such a lot.
Patay na, Mami, galing incinerator.
You can't catch me.
Ano to?
I messed up. I'm good.
Kulo na yung dugo.
Oh, hypothermia.
I'm not gonna die right here. I'm a survivor. Hey,
Oh, 72 ang Fahrenheit 0, diba?
yeah, I think I'm cooked for real.
Nanigis na yung dugo.
Yay!
Correlation dapat pipirma yan.
Let's do it.
Okay, anak.
Kahit hindi niya nilagay yung sa
I missed enough. I missed. Yay!
Pagtatawag yung clinic sa akin, alam ko.
Okay, I'm for real messed
Kaya
up.
tumawag sila.
Yeah, I think I messed up.
Picturean niya na lang, ma'am.
Oh,
Picturean niya. Pero sabi niya, let me just put up the records.
Yung records of the
Kailan ba yan nakita?
Anong last name?
Anong last name ulit? What is the last name?
Kailan mo ba yung student number?
Okay.
guapo. Guapo.
Tatanungin
Guwapo.
natin. Anong student number? Kasi ano yun
Ano?
na, may record yan
Yeah,
sa akin.
oh my god. I don't die. I don't want to die right now.
101, 480.
Yeah, I think I'm dead. Oh,
2023.
yay, yay, yay.
Mag-clearship ka.
I'm still
Third year
alive.
pa lang
Clinic
next year.
visit lang po yan.
Ang dami-dami naman nilang art.
Mommy!
Tita.
Oh no, I
But
died.
at least 1 year na yan.
Bye, subscribe to
1
me.
year.
Thank
1 year
you.
na ngayon pa end ang year kinuha.